Hello and welcome to Times XP. I am Dhriti Yatri, and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So, let's start with it. Iran's leadership under pressure here. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei faces unprecedented unrest across the country. Protesters are taking to the streets in multiple cities, fueled by economic hardship and political frustration. Rising anger is testing the authority of Iran's top leadership now, while the government appears tensed, trying to maintain the control here. Families of elite seeks escape. Reports suggest senior Iranian power brokers are quietly securing French visas for their families. This indicates fear at the top and lack of confidence in the country's future now. Not just hardliners, by the way, but even parliament allies are planning the exit. Panic is quietly spreading across the entire top regime. Streets turn hostile. Iranian protesters are increasingly violent and deadly. Police and protesters have both suffered casualties, including at least 2 officers. Funerals are turning into rallies, fueling more unrest. Well, the demonstrations now symbolize dignity and survival, not just economic grievances. Economic woes drive the anger. Inflation is soaring, jobs are disappearing, and living costs they are skyrocketing. Ordinary citizens are struggling to meet the basic needs here. Frustration over economic mismanagement has kind of reached a boiling point. This is more than politics, it's a fight for daily survival. Media blackout signals fear. Iran has implemented nationwide internet shutdown to control the flow of information. Mobile networks and social media platforms they are severely restricted. Authorities fear that videos and messages they could fuel the protest. Cutting communication exposes government insecurity more than it restores order. International eyes on Iran now. The US, Israel, and other nations are closely monitoring Iran's unrest here. Trump and Netanyahu have voiced support for protesters, signaling external pressure. Well, Iran interprets that this is an interference, further escalating the tension. The situation has quickly moved beyond domestic concerns. Crackdowns intensify. Iranian authorities have tightened security and increased arrests now. State media issues warning of zero tolerance for the protesters. Heavy police presence is visible in major cities, yet escalating violence, it suggests the strategy may not succeed. Elite losing the faith here. The pursuit of foreign visas by powerful figures indicates an internal crisis. When loyalty cracks at the top, well, regimes faces the real threat. Iran's elite, they fear losing control as public anger rise. This particular moment marks potential political instability. Protests spread nationwide. From Tehran to small towns, protests are multiplying. Demonstrators include students, workers, and women's groups. Crowds are openly challenging state's authority now, while the unrest it is sustained, not a temporary flare-up. Deaths escalate tension. Dozens of protesters have been killed, adding fuel to the fire. Clashes with police continue to escalate. Public funerals are becoming rallying point of dissent here. Violence is no longer isolated, it is systematic. International pressure mounts. US and Israeli support emboldens the protesters but alarms Tehran too. The regime views outside encouragement as an existential threat. Well, sanctions and political pressure amplify domestic unrest. In the meantime, Iran's response it is both defensive and aggressive. Legal crackdowns expected. Experts warn harsher measures against protesters that are imminent. Internet and media restriction may expand. In fact, detentions and arrests they will increase, aiming to silence the dissent here. Public patience is being severely tested. Russia-US oil confrontation once again. The US seized the Russian-linked oil tanker Marinera in the North Atlantic. Moscow calls it illegal provocation. Well, this escalates tensions over energy routes and global trade. Naval escalations are now a possibility. Shadow fleet and military alert here. Russia threatens countermeasures, including naval escorts for tankers. submarines and silent fleets, they could be deployed. The term shadow fleet signals potential conflict zone, while the global shipping routes may now be contested areas. Trump criticized by Moscow. Russia blames the US, accusing Trump's administration of undermining peace in Ukraine. Oil seizures are framed as destabilizing action, while Moscow sees this as a challenge to global maritime control. The confrontation it now spans land, sea, and diplomacy. Oceans become geopolitical battleground now. Global trade arteries are at risk amid the rising tension. Misstep in oil transport, it could escalate fast. Maritime disputes now rival land-based conflict. Superpower standoff could impact civilians and economies worldwide. Greenland Arctic strategy. Trump proposes direct payments to Greenlanders to align the island with the United States. The proposal could total $6 billion in incentives. Well, Greenland's strategic location offers mineral, oil, and military advantage. Europe and Denmark, they strongly oppose the approach. Greenland rejects the offer. Greenland's Prime Minister asserts that the island is not for sale. Cooperation, not annexation, is their goal. Well, this rebuff embarrasses Washington and NATO. Arctic dominance remains a global power chessboard issue now. Tariff threat on India. Trump threatens 500% tariff on India for buying Russian oil. Economists warn that this could backfire on US companies and market. Well, India relies on energy imports for economic stability. In the meantime, strategic autonomy is at risk. India stands firm. India refuses to yield to US economic pressure. Energy decisions are based on national interest and not ideology here. Trade partnership with Asia, BRICS, and Europe, they are now growing. New Delhi now asserts independent foreign policy priorities. Sanctions versus sovereignty. India's stance highlight the limit of unilateral US pressure. Economic tools cannot dictate the global policy in a multipolar world. Countries now diversify trade and energy sources. Sovereignty remains a core priority. Yemen's hidden betrayal. Yemeni separatist leader al-Zubaydi vanishes before the peace talks in Saudi Arabia. In the meantime, UAE allegedly assisted his escape, angering Riyadh further. Coalition trust is eroding now, destabilizing the entire region. Allies' internal dispute give leverage to the enemies. Saudi-UAE tensions rise. Saudi Arabia is very angry with the UAE over covert operations in Yemen. The anti-Houthi coalition risks spreading now. Miscalculation and mistrust weaken the regional strategy. And in the meantime, Iran-backed group, they may exploit this whole chaos. Houthis gain advantage. Fragmentation of the coalition benefits Iran-backed Houthis. Political and military instability intensifies. Alliances are shifting in unpredictable ways now. Yemen's war could enter a deadlier phase. Indian crew caught in global clash. 3 Indian sailors were aboard the seized tanker here. They face legal uncertainty despite no involvement in sanction violation. India monitors their safety and legal rights. Ordinary citizens are caught in superpower struggles. US visa warning. The United States Embassy issues a stern alert to Indians on B1 and B2 visas. Misuse, overstay, or misrepresentation could lead to cancellation or permanent ban. Immigration checks are stricter than ever. Travelers must comply fully to avoid serious consequences. Travel legality matter here. Visitors cannot work, overstay, or change visa status. B1, B2 visas are strictly for business or tourism. Violation may affect both new and existing visa holders. Legal compliance is essential for safe travel. Iran's internet shutdown. Iran cuts off the internet nationwide to suppress the protest. Messaging apps and social media, they were blocked. Authorities aim to limit the coordination and hide the unrest. Such measures, they reveal government fear more than control. Tehran sends stern message. Khamenei warns the US against interference, highlighting Iran's resolve. State media frames protest as foreign-driven chaos. Crackdowns on rhetoric are likely to intensify. Well, the leadership aims to project strength amid the instability. Global eyes on Iran, with protests continuing and elite panic rising. Iran's stability is in question now. Streets boil, sanctions loom, and international tension intensify. Well, the whole situation could mark either temporary unrest or start of a deeper revolt here. History shows once control cracks, well, recovery is difficult. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Iran to the US, from Israel to the UAE, the world is changing, and so is geopolitics. And me, Dhriti Atri on Times XP, is here to give you all the latest updates that matters the most. See you tomorrow.